a key. You got me a new car!
Cherish every moment. Yeah, take it all in before it all gets stolen. Yeah, one day you turn a corner and you'll never be the same. Just pause
We got in like at 5 and I ended up, or 5:30 or something like that last night or this morning. I'm super tired still and it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been up with the kids for a while and they're all happy to be home. Like I can tell, and I'm super happy to be home. And I'm so happy with all the things that Ryan got done while we were gone. I feel like I just keep finding more and more things. So let me show you what I found. He made like fruit pizza. He put it in the fridge for us. Look at that. And some for the kids too.
Jackson and Jacob and Michael taught me how to walk like a girl, and Jackson did the funniest one. I'll show you the one that was the funniest one.
And what was the other way? Oh my goodness, that's so funny.
Do you want to grab that present that Ryan got us so we can open it now? It's up there in the closet. So Ryan just got home. No doubt it will be a tearful reunion. We also need to open up this package that I know you guys have been waiting for.
Yay!
Why you TikTok?
And I missed you too.
Oh, thank you.
And you too.
He's talking to you guys.
Alright,
He's like, yeah.
Alright, let's get you some.
I just love that the first thing that James says is not, Ryan, it's Tic Tacs!
There you go.
Did you say thank you?
You're welcome.
We still haven't opened up the package that you gave us yet.
Really?
Yeah, we were waiting, so we're gonna open it up now.
Okay. So what did you guys do while I was away? Grow up bigger?
Did you miss the smell of poop?
No.
No.
Was it back? You guys are gonna love this.
Alright, let's open up this package.
Hey, I spent a long time on that, just so you know.
Okay, what does it say? What does it say? Nothing.
But did you see the back? Oh wait, this thing on the table?
I saw the thing
Yes.
on the table.
It said, "I love you.
Welcome home.
Welcome home, beach house."
Oh, wow.
This one's for me.
Oh, wow.
Let's open up the kids' ones to Charlie.
Charlie's first.
Okay.
Oh, wow, this is like Christmas.
You open it?
I'll just tell you now, I spent a lot of money on this.
Wow.
Really?
Yes. Let's see what it
This is
is.
Charlie's. It's fruit.
Show the camera.
Wow, he's gonna love these.
It's for
This is for Charlie.
Like the
You
thrill
got
of-
it. Do not eat.
Okay, let's get Ellie opening up hers now.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.
To Ellie, I love you, Uncle Ryan. This is for you.
Maybe it's some dolls.
But there's stuff inside that you'll like. Yeah. Oh, Ellie's getting it. Ooh.
Oh. Wow. Oh, yay. I should have washed off your face before this. You need a bath.
So show everybody what you got.
Show the camera what you got.
Cool car.
You got a car that has flowers on it.
She said, mine.
Alright.
Now let it go.
Babe, it's Corbin's turn now.
Woo! Okay, Corbin, let's find
You gotta find
yours.
one that has your name on it.
Ellie, these are your special treats. Look, you got some gummies
Love
and
ya.
Brian's favorite granola bar that he always treats the kids with.
They love it.
Okay, Corbin, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, right in, don't you?
Woohoo!
Is this a J?
Uh-huh.
So that's my name.
Yeah.
Whoa!
That's yours!
Whoa!
And it can back up and then.
Whoa! If you pull it back, it will go forward really fast. Woo!
Love Uncle Ryan.
Puppets on the ground.
It's probably an airplane.
One puppets, a hairbrush, and a granola bar.
Did she guess it?
Oh, you didn't get it, just a granola bar. You guys are organic. Ooh!
And a key. You got me a new car!
Should I take
Did you
this
see
thing
what
off?
it said on
Should
it?
I take this thing off?
See what the key says?
A key to your very own car!
But it's your very own car key. Why did you let me borrow?
Favorite kind of
Okay, that was not the cheap one either.
Yeah.
I wanted you to get one that you like.
That's that's the exact right kind. It's one that has bristles that are hard and bristles that are soft. And that's like the smoothest and doesn't pull my hair. Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.
Mine is the best
I'll give
present.
you
Granola bar, huh?
I wanted you to get something you would use. It's organic too.
What is it?
puppet.
What is it? What is it?
Oh,
What is
you
it?
guys can't see. It's bad.
I want to see. Okay.
Wow! $200.
What? Are you kidding me?
Look, he gave me bunches of money.
Oh, yeah.
Is this all I have?
That's great.
Look at that. Rent. That is the best way to give rent to somebody.
Presents. Hey, that wasn't cheap either.
Almost naked.
This is all I have.
That's yummy.
I just think it's funny. How bold of you.
Thank you.
I really wanted to see your reaction. I've never gotten anything like that for you. And so I wanted to see how you would react.
Oh, Ryan, you make us a happy family.
Yeah.
Everybody needs an Uncle Ryan in their life. Seriously, I mean,
Not in
wouldn't you want that in your life?
Yeah, you know, I got some pictures done while you were gone.
Ryan,
That's
all
me
of the
flexing.
weirdest things that you give me. The thing is, like, I'm totally gonna keep that on the wall.
Really? Okay, I like that. I spent a long time on it too. I didn't have Photoshop. I used Paint.
Wow.
Yeah.
But like, when you gave me the leg lamp, that stayed in my house for the rest of the year.
But it's such a cool.
Or the
map.
chocolate man.
Or the
These
chocolate
guys
man.
never saw the chocolate man.
Yeah, it stayed in your house until it became Voldemort.
We have pictures. Ryan made us a chocolate sculpture that actually fell down and hit its nose, smashed its nose on the counter because our house didn't have AC in it. So it was melting, so it fell down and smashed its nose. But we set it back up and we put a little chocolate chip for its nose. Thanks, Ryan. I think everybody should say thank you, Ryan. Okay.
Thank you, Ryan.
Thanks, Ryan. Oh, and I love the banister.
You saw it. That took me 3 days.
That took you 3 days?
I sanded it by hand to ease the edges so that because you said that they were sharp and I didn't want the kids getting splinters. And so I sanded it and then I had to clean up the mess. Had to use caulking to fix these bottom parts.
Oh yeah, because it was kind of sharp.
Yeah, it was sharp. You know how the metal was down here?
Yep.
And there's dips in there, so I had to fill in all that and then
Yeah.
paint it.
Oh wow. And at first I was like, oh, I thought it was gonna be white. But I like this better because then it won't get dirty.
Yep. And also if you
It's like a
notice,
gray
it
color.
matches the wall
Yes.
color and the trim. So it's kind of,
Yes, it looks
matches it.
beautiful.
yeah.
I want one. Give me one.
Hey, we got plenty of fruit up here. So much I've picked already. This is what the tree looks like. Oh, hi, it's Andrew. Wow, I think it might be dust on the lens. It's like perfect apricots right here. Look at this, one handful. Beautiful, right there. That's what I love about fruit trees. Apricots, I love them. I don't think I've ever seen this many apricots on one tree before.
I looked out the window, what did I see? Popcorn popping on the apricot tree. This is apricot tree.
That's right.
There's gonna be popcorn popping on it if we glow.
Yeah, that's right. Huh.
Why was there not a seed in it? Why was there not a seed in
That's why. No, don't eat the seed.
it?
Wow, look at all those. They're so good.
Look at this one.
Wow, it's splatted.
I'm making Andrew drop them down.
Oh, guys, lift it up and don't just set it down on the seat. That'll bruise them all. You have to catch them. Hold it up higher. Hold it up. Yeah, hold it up higher. There you go. Yeah. That was really funny. Oh, you're doing pretty good. You just have to hold it up so they don't fall. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Yeah, that's more like it.
There's raining apricots. Hey, stop it. Do it on the other side.
Yeah, do it on the other side, Andrew.
What hit my head again?
Oh, that happens. Hopefully they're not bruised too bad.
Let's do it right here.
What do you think? Is it pretty good stuff?
Ryan, look.
Yeah?
Ryan.
It feels so good. It feels so good to be home and to be able to make a regular meal and be in my own kitchen and be at my own house. I'm so happy. Look at this food. There's chicken and veggies and salad and mashed potatoes and gravy and Ryan. Isn't it good?
Yes,
Smelling?
It smells so good and it looks so good.
Here's a plate for you.
Thank you.
All that work you did.
It doesn't have anything on it.
Make your own. I made one for me and Michael, and Ryan was expecting me to give it to him.
No, I was just joking. I wasn't.
Okay,
I wasn't.
Okay.
I was just making it seem like you were giving me an empty plate and being like,
It's food from Neverland. Oh yeah?
You're doing it. No! Megan, don't you? I cleaned this floor.
What do you think? It was imaginary.
Go to your room!
You were imagining, Peter!
Shameful!
Okay, I'll clean it up.
I'll clean it up.
No,
Wait,
I'll clean it. You'll clean it up.
I love you. I miss you, but you have to clean it up.
Oh, Michael, it's worth it. You have to come here.
What?
I love you, Mom.
Wow. Did these guys see all that?
Yes.